Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Buki Akimpelu and I'll be your host today. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how to use auto layouts in Figma. And to be very honest, auto layouts just allows you to create a dynamic frame. So we're going to start now and we'll be creating a simple book app just to help us get a better understanding of it. I'm starting with a text layer and I'm just going to type PDF inside of this. So to create an auto layout, if you just go out of here and then click on Shift A, you can see an auto layout has been added. I'm going to rename this frame to let me say button real quick, just so it'll be easier to remember. So you can also adjust properties to the frame, such as a fill effect or stroke or obviously effects, and then you can also change the corner radius. So I'm going to change the corner radius to like 25. So in order for you to see this, I'm going to change the fill to, let me say, a lighter shade of a gray just so it can be visible. And I'll be changing the fill to white. Yeah, that works. So we can create another layout inside of this, and that will be the parent layout. And it's exactly the same thing. Once again, you click on Shift A. As you can see, another auto layout has been added. I renamed this to second button just because. Perfect. You can have multiple child layers inside the parent layer. And to do that, if you just click on the child layer and then click on Ctrl D on your keyboard, you can see it comes down in between. I'm going to make this again. So this is arranged vertically just because auto layers has been set to vertically, and you can change it to horizontally, or you can leave it at vertically. I'm going to keep mine at horizontal. Alright then. So if you change the text inside a layout, the words inside the layer of the frame dynamically resizes. For example, I can just type audio. As you can see, it adjusts to the wordings inside it. And I will change this to add copy. Perfect. You can also change the pattern between the buttons so it can be like more spaced out. And if you just click on this, then you can go right here to spacing between items. And I'm just going to change this to 15 so it can be visible. Alright, there we have it. Your first auto layer has been created. So I'm going to add another text layer to this. I'm just going to name this summary and have another one. I'll name this title. I'm going to change this to white also. Okay. And so if I just drag all of this inside one big and click on Shift A once again. So as we can see, another layout has been added inside the frame. Also, you can add extra text inside. And as you can see, it just expands. Then we'll like this to wrap around each other. So like the more you text, like it goes down. And you can do this by just making this to be auto height. So it wraps down instead of just like going all the way down. So I'm just gonna delete this because it's really not needed. Alright, there we go. As I said earlier, we're creating a book app. So I'm gonna create a rectangle as this would be where the image of the book is placed. So this rectangle is going to be placed on top of the frame. As you can see, is bigger than it. And the blue line you're seeing is just letting you know where the rectangle will be placed. So I would like this to be on top of the title. As you can see, it's been adjusted into the parent frame. And you can also adjust the properties of the rectangle. I'm just going to make this a bit, yeah, reduce the corner radius, and then I would like this to be placed in the center. Yeah, that's much better for me. So to add an image to this, you can just go over here to the fill and change this to image. I'm just selecting the image I would like to be placed in this. So here we go. I'm gonna make this. Okay, so now we have our image right here. And honestly, to make this way easier, you can create a component with this, because obviously it's a book app and you will like multiple duplicates of this. So once you do this, I'm just going to readjust it. All right, there we go. Right, I'm going to readjust this, and you can see you can move it easily without like bothering yourself by anything. And since it's like a book hub and you like basically multiple of these arranged vertically or however you want it, then just create on this and then Control D, which creates a duplicate, and then you have this over here. You can obviously remove the components and then change the image or change what you want to have in it. And that's basically it. You've learned how to use auto layouts. Please subscribe and come back to our channel again. Thank you.